Good morning, dear children. Dear children, here after 13.2, here we start 13.3 exercise of class 4th maths. So, dear children, here some word problems are given here. First question is the cost of 10 pencil is rupees 266. What will be the cost of 4 pencil? So, dear children, this is a unitary method. In the unitary method, I told you in the last video when the chapter is started, then unitary method is first we find the cost of one item, then we find the cost of many items. Okay, so here the cost of 10 pencil is given here. So first here we find the cost of one pencil, then we can find the cost of more than one pencil. Okay, so cost of 10 pencil is rupees 266. So cost of one pencil is 266 divided by 10 equal rupees 26.6 rupees. So dear children, to find the cost of 4 pencil according to the question, so the cost of 4 pencil equal 26.6 multiplied by 4 equal 106.4 rupees. Okay, 4 means 40 paise. So 100 when we write in rupees 106.40. Okay, now the question number 2. Meena want to buy 7 packet of pasta. What find the amount she has to pay if 9 packets cost 279. So dear children, cost of 9 packet of pasta equal rupees 279. So to find, what will we find here? To find the cost of 7 packet of pasta. So 7 packet pasta के हमें cost निकालना है. So first we find the cost of 1 packet of pasta. So cost of 1 packet of pasta equal 279 divided by 9, because 279 is the cost of 9 packet pasta. So 279 divided by 9, जिसकी जितने की ये कॉस्ट बता रहा उसी से हमको इसको डिवाइड करना है. यदि ये 7 की कॉस्ट होगी तो हम इसको 7 से डिवाइड करते हैं. ये 9 की कॉस्ट है तो हम 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे. जितने की कॉस्ट बताए तो उसी से डिवाइड करेंगे तब 1 की कॉस्ट आएगी. So cost of 1 packet of pasta equal 279 divided by 9 equal rupees 31. 9 3 is 27, 9 1 is 9. So cost of 7 packet of pasta equal 31 multiplied by 7 equal 217 rupees 217. Okay. Now the question number 2 is completed. Now the question number 3. A dozen of Alphonse mangoes cost rupees 360. What amount will we pay for 20 mangoes? So dear children, a dozen mangoes cost rupees 360. A mango, not a mango. A dozen is 12. 1 dozen equal 12 mangoes. So a dozen mangoes cost rupees 360. To find cost of 20 mangoes, so 1 dozen equal 12. 1 dozen equal 12. So the cost of 1 mango equal 360 divided by 12 equal rupees 30. यहाँ क्योंकि ये जो cost है, this is a dozen, means ये 12 mangoes की cost है 360 rupees. So here first we find the cost of 1 mango. So one cost of 1 mango is rupees 30. So the cost of 20 mangoes equal 20 multiplied by 30 equal rupees 600. Okay. Now the question number 4. Sorry, question number 4 just like a question number this type, all these question. Question number 4 is 36 copies of book cost 1872 rupees. Find the cost of 45 such copies. So dear children, यहाँ 36 copies की cost बता रहा है और 45 की पूछ रहा है. तो first we find the cost of one copy means 1872 divided by 36. Then we can find the cost of 40, जो उसकी cost आ जाएगी तो हम 45 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. Okay, so this question you can do yourself. Now the question number 5. A bus can go up to 48 किलोमीटर on 4 लीटर of diesel. एक जो बस है वो 48 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करती है 4 लीटर में. तो how far will the bus go? Will the bus go on 8 liter of diesel? So dear children, a bus can go up to 48 kilometer 4 liter diesel on 4 liter diesel. So to find how far, means वो कितना डिस्टेंस, कितनी दूरी को कवर करेगा जाएगी 8 लीटर में. So a bus can go in 1 liter. So 48 divided by 4 equal 12 kilometer. मीन्स पहले हम ये निकालेंगे को 1 लीटर, यदि हमें 1 का पता चल जाए तो 8 लीटर का भी पता चल जाएगा. सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द कि हाउ मच डिस्टेंस कवर इन 1 लीटर ऑफ डीजल. सो 48 divided by 4 equal 12 kilometer. So in 1 liter a bus cover 1 liter equal 12 kilometer. So distance covered in 8 liter. So 12 multiplied by 8 equal 96 kilometer. Okay. So the bus covered in 8 liter equal 96 kilometer. Now dear children, question number 6 just like the question number 3. A dozen jar contain, I read the question 6. A dozen jar contain 30,000 coffee. How many coffee will be there in 60 such jar? So dear children, here a dozen is same just like a question number 3. Means a dozen, एक dozen में 1 dozen में 3000 coffee है. ये पूछ रहा है 60 a dozen jar. ओके, तो 60 सच जार में कितनी टॉफी होंगी. तो हमें एक जार का मालूम हो जाए. सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ कॉफी इन 1 जार. सो 1 डजन इक्वल 12. सो 3000 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 इक्वल 1 डजन का आ जाएगा कि 1 डजन में कितनी 1 जार में कितनी कॉफी है. तो 60 को से साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे जस्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर. So the dear children, question number 7, 24. Here we change here the statement of this question. So 24 plastic balls make 1 minute. So 1 plastic balls make in 1 upon 24 minute. 1 upon and 24 minute. This one is 24 minutes. So 1 plastic ball make in 1 upon 24 minutes. So 96 plastic ball made in 1 upon 24 multiplied by 96. Because here they children, वहाँ पे हमने वही स्टेटमेंट से था, बट वहाँ पे जो कि यूनिटरी मेथड है तो वहाँ पे हमने ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखा था कि जैसे यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है कि कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पेंसिल, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पैकेट. सो यहाँ हमने नहीं लिखा था, इसलिए हमने ये स्टेटमेंट चेंज किया. 1 प्लास्टिक बाउल में in 1 minute equal 1 upon 24 minutes. So 9600 plastic bowls made in 1 upon 24 multiplied by 96 equal, look at here, 24 1 24, 24 4 96 and 2 0 is here. So 400 minutes. Now convert 400 minutes in hour. ये भी आपका आंसर हो गया, बट इसको मिनट्स में तो आवर में भी आप चेंज करते हैं तो वो भी आंसर हो सकता है. सो 60 मिनट इक्वल 1 आवर, देन 400 मिनट्स इक्वल 400 डिवाइडेड बाय 60 इक्वल 6 आवर 40 मिनट. जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 400 को तो आपका आंसर आएगा, लुक एट हियर, 400 डिवाइडेड बाय 60, 61 just 60, sorry, 6 6 is 36 and 1 0 equal 0 10 minus 4 and this is 0. So look at here, this is your hour and this is your minute. So 66 hour 40 minutes. Okay, so dear children, exercise 13.3 is completed and this chapter is also completed. Now in the next video we start here last chapter, data handling. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.